In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to log out of your Roblox account. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tips. Logging out of Roblox ensures your account's security, especially on shared or public devices. It also helps resolve issues like glitches or login errors. To log out of your Roblox account, start by opening the Roblox app or website and heading to the home page. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Click on this gear icon to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find the Log Out option. Simply click on it, and you will be automatically logged out of your account. It's a quick and easy process that ensures your account remains secure when you're done playing. After logging out, you can sign in again later with your username and password if you'd like to continue enjoying Roblox. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.